Hi everyone, Mo from Cycle Garden. Thanks for checking out our video. We are putting Ewan's bike up for sale. This is a 1973 Moto Guzzi V7 Sport. We restored this bike originally in 2010. He's had it for whatever, 15, 16 years now. We also went through and rebuilt the motor in 2022, 4 years ago. He was doing a commercial for Moto Guzzi, and they one of the stuntmen was revving the hell out of it. Thought it was a Japanese bike, I guess, and spun the bearings on the crankshaft. So we went in and redid the whole motor again. So it's a really tight, nice bike. It's got a big bore. This has got a T3 crankshaft, and it's got our big bore kit, 88 millimeter cylinders. So 955cc motor, runs really good. Just took it up here, nice little ride up to Indio Hills, probably 20 minutes away from the shop, maybe 25, so it's a nice little getaway. It's a gorgeous day today, end of February 2026, and we'll be putting this up on eBay shortly. So if you guys are looking for a nice sport, it's a beautiful bike. It has a lot of history with us, and it's been photographed a lot. So maybe I'll throw some pictures of Ewan in there if you're into that, and we've got a lot of pictures of it. We'll do some drive-bys also, and so hopefully you guys can check this thing out. Come on up, Lindsay, give us a look. So there we go. So V7 Sports this is a 4-leading shoe front end. This started with the Toleo Rosso in 1971. They made this for US versions up until late 73. Then they went to double disc. In Europe, they started with the 750S about the same time, and they put a double disc on the 750S. This same type of brake they used on 73.5 Moto Guzzi Eldorados. They put a wider bracket here because the forks are wider. The rim is different. These are cross rims. Let's see if you can get a picture of that cross rim. Do you see it in there? I don't know, it's by the valve stem, but it's on the right side, I'm sorry. Anyways, Lindsay will we'll work a picture in that for you. There we go, right here. So these are cross rims. We did, I want to show the rear, show the difference on the Sport on the rear. Show them this rear stuff, Lindsay. So this rear brake is basically the same as a front brake. They took this off an Ambassador. So that still has the lug for the cable. Actually, some of the sports, the early sports, for the right-hand shift, left-hand brake, used a cable. So they still use this, but this is identical. This casting is identical to what came on an Ambassador front brake. They had to change some of this, some of the levers and stuff, but basically the same setup. So it gives you nice brakes. This thing has really beautiful brakes. This paint job, we did a silver. We tried to copy how they did it originally. So originally, the Moto Guzzi, they put a silver base down, and they put a burgundy candy right over the top of that. So it gives it kind of that deep look to it. It's different than just straight metallic. I like the color. It gives it more of a smooth color, kind of classy. I like it. We did this decal setup is kind of a copy from the Toleo Rosso with the black and then the eagle right here. So I don't know, it's just a really pretty bike. There's a couple little scratches on this thing. I think Ewan's got a couple little belt mark scratches here, but we kind of buffed them out, but they're not that bad. So let's see under the seat. Let's see if I can get this under the seat here. There we go. So it's got original fuse panel in there, gray plastic. We also reproduce those fuse panels in the black plastic, so we do a nice job. So if you guys are looking for a fuse panel, we got some nice reproductions on those. So it's got our wire harness in it from 2010. That's handmade by yours truly. Still holding it together. All right, what else do we need to talk about? It's a US version. It's got miles per hour. All the obviously all speedo tacks work, all the lights work, all the idiot lights work. And yeah, there it is. So if you guys are interested, we'll do some drive-bys on it, and I'll show the Sarai here. So we got a little sticker for the Sarai electro valve. This also has an upgraded T3 starter on it. The original sport boat starters they had on them are kind of, I don't know, they're very fragile. So we just end up putting T3 starters on. They work out much better on it. They're just a better starter. So there you go. Nice looking bike. Let's see the inside of the tank. It's got the big spout, original V7 Sport, huge neck on that. No crusties in there. So there you guys go. Let's see how she sounds. We'll start up and maybe do a few little drive-bys for you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for checking out the video. You know, we're up here practicing, trying to get better at doing this stuff. I hope you guys like these videos. Please like, subscribe. That helps us out with Google and all that. Gets us more viewers and helps keep our little shop running. So we're just a small little shop out here in the desert. So we appreciate all the help we can get. And thank you guys very much. So let's see how she sounds.
Rub it again.
Let's do some drive-bys.
know you were going to do that. I thought you were going to go past me.
Okay, why?
You're way too close.
Looks good. Hope you look good.